doing some reviewing of the log file. We made our first pass yesterday, so I took off yesterday and went home, but we're back now, so we're reviewing a lot of things. We had to make a lot of changes to the car last night. Again, we've completely changed everything about the car. So from the front seat back, we cut everything out. Hammer Fab did an excellent job when it comes to the rear end of this car. So they completely cut everything, and they 4-linked the car. It's got Tim McCanus chunk in it. You know, their custom Fab 9-inch housing. I mean, it's actually can fit like a 12, but it's got a 9.5 in it. But so many changes. We went to a 325 gear in the front. We changed the suspension on the car. We also went from a 78 to an 86mm twin setup on it. We changed the fueling system on the car, everything. There's laser sensors on it, you name it. So at the end of the day, we've got a completely different car. That's what we're trying to jump to. And we went out yesterday and I left really soft, just so I could get a feel for the car as we're just setting a suspension up on it. So I didn't know if it was gonna go left or right, but the burnout went really well. We put a little cool adjustments in the suspension. So, but anyways, at full throttle, this thing just pulls super straight. So we went into this thing blind. However, Josh, he has a ton of experience in setting these things up. So we went in blind and we had a spectacular first run, even though we didn't go very fast. We went with our clutch setup that we had last year with the IRS, and that's not going to work for us. It was blowing through the clutch right away. I guess this thing's just planning itself completely different with the solid rear setup in it. So with all that being said, we've reviewed a lot of data. We've added more weight to the clutch. We made some changes and fixed some things. We're getting ready to make our first pass today, and I'm pretty excited about it. The car handles like it's on rails now, so super straight. I feel like I can drive it with my pinky finger. So we've lost some weight out of the car. We've added more weight to the nose and moved weight around in it. So it's moving just absolutely ridiculously good. I mean, it's absolutely great. So we're gonna make this pass coming up and see what it does, and then we're gonna turn it up from there. The track really isn't here right now. It's all over the place. It's very greasy out there. So everybody's kind of turning their car down, but we're looking to break that record of a 758. So if we do that, not only will it be a personal best, but it'll be another world record pass for the H-Pattern S2000. Let's do this.
So we're here, Bowling Green. Today is qualifying round one, being kind of the hottest part of the day, it seems. So we've, I think about everyone I talk to, we're all just going to turn them down. Nobody's going for a record pass. We all got to race the same track. So that's kind of all we've done, just soften everything, a few chassis, suspension adjustments, little power management, and personally I just want an A to B. Don't really care what the time is. I just want to get down, get some data, and we'll move from there.
That motherfucker went, well, I was about to lose that bitch, though. I kept it off the wall, though. Yeah. I think I know what it was. Did the rear wheels lock up?
I couldn't tell. I just seen a bunch of smoke.
I think I flat spotted the tire. I just back half the car and I stabbed the brakes, and I think the rear end locked up when the chutes came out.
When I come down the track through the smoke, it smelled like rubber.
I bet it's. I flat spotted the tire. Yeah.
Alex, who has the best merch out there right now?
ShopRenegade.com.
Round two, we did get a little data. So it zinged the clutch when I hit third, but we swapped over to a rear axle. I got a two-pot brake now on this thing versus a single pot that I've been running, and we've got dual chutes. So in the past, whenever I'd throw the chute, I would have to stand on the brake pedal to get this thing to stop. Well, I kind of just went back to that for muscle memory, and that was the wrong thing to do. So I jumped on the brake pedal after the chutes hit, and the rear tire locked up, and it slid me all the way around the track, which was not great. Thankfully, I was able to keep control of the car and keep it smooth and keep it straight. So we were able to slow it down, and we put a new set of tires on it because I did kill the tires a little bit. So we put a new set of tires on it, but we got that data, and we've got a little bit more weight added to the clutch. So we're working on that clutch tune-up with all the changes, and here we go. We should, it went at 820 at 177 miles an hour, and I clicked third and it zinged the clutch. So now we should be able to make a full pass. It should go into the 7s now, and then once we get that data, we'll start leaning on it to make some real power to hopefully kick us into the 6s. Here we go.
As you can tell, it's raining, and it looks like the night is just about over now. So our last round of qualifying is going to be in the morning, and that's really about it. So kind of a bummer. We were hoping to get a way better time today, but it looks like that's going to be a tomorrow problem now. So we look forward to our delay for morning. Maybe we can dial some stuff in just a little bit more, taking the opportunity to do so. But that's it for today, unfortunately. So we'll be back at it tomorrow morning. That's it. Deuces. Boom.